Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the power supply in your HP Omen tower can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's manageable. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static discharge. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your system professionally diagnosed without obligation. Next, ensure your workspace is clean and free of clutter. Power off your HP Omen, unplug it from the wall, and discharge any residual power by holding the power button for a few seconds. It's crucial to prioritize safety during this process. Begin by removing the side panel of the tower. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unfasten the screws located at the back of the case. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the panel off. Take a moment to clean any dust buildup inside the case using compressed air, as this helps maintain optimal cooling. Now, locate the existing power supply. It's usually situated at the top or bottom of the case, secured by screws. Carefully disconnect all the cables connected to the motherboard, graphics card, and any other peripherals, noting where each cable connects. If you find this overwhelming, consider our service that includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With all cables disconnected, remove the screws securing the power supply to the case. Gently slide the power supply out, being cautious not to damage any other components. If you need assistance at any point, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you're covered. Next, take your new power supply and insert it into the case, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with screws, connecting it firmly to the chassis. Now, reconnect the cables to the motherboard and other components. Make sure you match them correctly, refer to your motherboard manual if necessary. Once all connections are secure, double-check that everything is in place and there are no loose cables. It's also a good time to clean up any excess dust or debris inside the case. If you're unsure, remember that no calls, no travel is needed for us to assist you with this process. Finally, replace the side panel by sliding it back into place and securing it with the screws. Plug your tower back in and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that all components are functioning. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your power supply. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our expert help, ensuring your gaming experience remains uninterrupted. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.